Hello, everybody. My name is Riley, and today well, I am going to be coding your guys' ideas if anybody clicks on the video. All right. Oh, that's fucking fantastic. Oh, wait, no, I need to. If I share it, somebody watches it, and I get views. If I get views, I can probably, probably get someone to participate, and I can write some code. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna drop this somewhere in a Discord server, and somebody's gonna be like, "Oh, okay, something I can waste my time on." And those kind of people are what the system feeds on. People who are willing to waste their time. Oh, I know for a fact you guys heard that. Well, I sent the video in a server, or the stream, sent it in a server, and also I sent it to a tech friend of mine who probably helped me get some engagement. Do I need to be like doing this regularly? Because like I do it, nobody watches. Oh, what's up? Okay, so I do it, nobody watches, and then I get unmotivated, and then I don't stream for a week. Hi. I forgot what your real name was. We're doing coding ideas. I wonder how delayed this is. Like, I wonder what my latency is. Because, like, you just said yo, and now you just said oh with a question mark. I don't know what you're saying oh about. I said a lot just then. Anyways, I probably should send this to my streaming Discord. It's lagging. My fucking headset just turned off. What was that about? Your comments are lagging? How does that work? All right, so I have my stream up on mobile so I can see what you guys see. But for some reason, this literal Chromebook charger that I have is not charging my phone. What should I make? Like, coding wise, that's like the whole point of the stream. I could probably I could probably make like blackjack, like the game. What do you mean Toriel? Like from Undertale? Do you want me to make like an ASCII screen of Toriel? Okay. Uh, yeah, I guess I could do that. Wait, no, but that's just like a lot of t it's just ASCII art. That's all that is. It's not really a game or it's not really a program. It just prints it and then quits. Like I could write it as a bunch of lines, like and then I could just type it all out here, and then what the fuck? That's as simple as it is. Did y'all hear that? I think my Discord's getting blown up. Sorry, the huz was messaging me. Oh my gosh. Why the fuck did you say yes four times? Okay, I'm gonna go on Firefox and look for Toriel ASCII art. Or better yet, I could do. I'm gonna need to. Oh, all right. Yeah, that's. I mean, that's to be expected. I'm gonna share my screen with you guys. How many is watching? Yo, I got 4 views. Let's go. What, the first 10 minutes? That's amazing. Um, let's see. Add source, display capture. I'm gonna call it browser. Okay, that is not what I wanted to do. Um, yeah, I'm removing that. I think I clicked the wrong one. Oh, window capture. There we go. OBS Studios tweaking. One sec. All right. Oh, gotta move my face cam on top. Okay, so I guess I click start drawing. Yeah, I don't. Oh, this is like I misinterpreted that. Okay. Um, oh, image to ASCII. Yeah. Okay, that's where this is it. The tutorial, I'm just gonna grab it and go because y'all are fucking crazy. What, did that not work? Um, copy image. Okay, I guess I have to fucking download it. Save image as tutorial. Yeah, that's peak. And then let's go back here. Let's move that out of the way. And then my desktop is a freaking mess. Okay, I need to like add a source for everything. Uh, terminal, then select the terminal. Okay, you guys can see this now. Not Journey Studio, but Gue. There, you happy? There's Toriel. What do you mean for a bit? What do you mean you're back for a bit? You're just gonna leave me again? Uh, bro's not a real G. Okay, okay, okay. Seriously, should I make blackjack like I said earlier? What do you mean you're a busy guy? Thought you were unemployed. That's why you're my YouTube moderator. Is my mic that insensitive? I don't think it heard me laughing. That's bullshit. Yeah, let's make blackjack. Um, okay, that's so real though. Like, pull some weeds in the backyard and you get like 20 bucks. It's like the best summer job you could get. So I know I probably don't have a lot of um programmers watching right now out of the three people watching. But funnily enough, I don't know how dictionaries work. Did y'all hear that? Grandma's got you busy. I really hate my brain. Okay. We're just gonna do. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, meant to press shift, not control. Ace, king, queen, jack, and then it's just what the? I need to sleep more, I swear. Oh no, one is the ace. Okay. So I'm not doing it by the value they represent. I'm gonna do it by, yeah, he really left. I'm down to two viewers. Um, but I'm not doing it by the value they represent. I'm doing it by like the class. Like ace is one, but two is less than ace, if that makes sense. So jack's gonna be 11, queen is 12, king is 13, and ace is 14. And then we do a is equal to 14. Huh? Okay. Spade. What the hell? Spade, diamonds, clubs. Isn't there symbols? Let me just go look up some card symbols. This is gonna look messy for a second. All right, who messaged me? Oh, that's beautiful. I don't know where to go from here. Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, I included those in. That's not gonna work out then, is it? It would just have to be that, because then that means I'd have to multiply it by 2 and trying to keep this simple. Almost typed blue. Okay. Um, ooh, wait, since it's a gambling game, obviously I have to import random. I don't know why I have sys and OS. I've never willingly removed an import before. I kind of just left it there in case I needed it, but I literally see no reason. Okay, and then we'll do house is equal to card is equal to random dot choice suits. Maybe. Let me open up my. You guys see this? Yeah, okay. Um, I have a. Where is it? It basically just colors text because I don't want to deal with ANSI escape codes. Here it is. Yeah, this is all it is. It's literally one line. Um, hey, I'm thinking real hard about this because I don't know if it'll work. Uh, 255 0 0. Actually, no. I'm gonna do colors. Hmm. See, now this is a little weird because I need to make it so that it removes it from the list. Suit is equal to suits dot pop random dot choice suits. Would that work? So that instead of all this, I can just do suit. Then I can do the same thing for cards. Oh, that doesn't look like it's spelled right. Is it, did I spell suit wrong? How do you spell suit? Okay, SUIT. I'm just fucking dyslexic, that's all. Um, card. Let's do hand is equal to, let's finish this before we get sidetracked. Cards dot pop random dot choice cards. I'm doing this all wrong. I need an array. I only realized that because of how my game is designed. But I can remove this. Control C. This is gonna take some time. Oh my gosh, I'm really tired. I just realized So the clubs are okay, clubs and spades are black, right? So I already closed out of Firefox. You know what? Screw it. And I can change this to a string. Oh my goodness. Why does it do that? I don't need that. Oh my god. They're backpacks. I'm going to Washington on Monday. Well, the cool thing is I can just copy and paste this whole thing when I'm done putting quotes in it, and then I just have to change the symbol in each one, and that'll be a lot quicker. And that makes these irrelevant. Oh, but now they don't have assigned values. I'll handle that later. Control C. Okay, that was weird. Control X. Oh wait, going down would be a lot faster. And then do the next row. I'm so stupid. Like I just need it for one row. What am I on? Okay, I'm not stupid, I'm slow. There's a difference. I have a lot in my disk drive, but I don't have any RAM at all. I don't have to assign them a value because they are in an array. But I have it the wrong way. Fuck. Wrong way. I can just flip a greater than to a less than to see who has the most. But then how am I going to do the 21 thing? Oh my god. This is why programming takes me forever. Okay, I need the twos down here and the ace up. Like, I need it flipped this way. Maybe I can just ask Gemini to do it. Control C after I put the symbols in. Okay, that's not it. Oh, sick. Okay, Control C, go to this, and Control V. Huzzah. Though I will say, I don't think these are spaced correctly, but oh well, who am I to judge? Wait, I'm the developer, I'm supposed to judge. Okay, wait, this is 14, the highest. So 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Huh. Then aces could be ones or 11s. Oh my god. I can remove these and remove. Oh, god damn it. Half my code that I just wrote was gone because of how much simpler I made this. Um, no, hand's gonna be the user. I want house because they're gonna choose their cards first. House is equal to guess we could still do it like that. Suit is equal to random dot random integer 0 to 3, and 0 being spades and 3 being diamonds, going down like that. Then house is equal to random dot choice cards, and then suit. Oh yeah, and then I also need a blocking input that isn't gonna. Where's get car? It's up here. I know it is. There it is. Oh, I don't know what I need for this though. Sys. Yeah, I see sys. OS. Yeah, it says sys and OS. Like I didn't see OS in there, but for Linux, import TTY terminus. It already imports those. Okay, cool. Um, print string house get character one. Okay. And this is in game, so if I bring this back over here, yeah, and just run that. Okay, so it gets the random choice, but I also, whoa, I also need it to remove it. Um, I mean, that should work. Oh shit, I don't have a way to Control C doesn't work because it takes the instant keyboard input. Ah, okay. Um, uh, yeah, let's reset. Did that not work? Bruh. Edit, no, view. All right. Ah, god damn it. Okay. Can you guys still see this? Oh, you can. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I need to bring that over here. Let's try this again. Um, oh, I know what I messed up. That's not how that works. That should be it. String object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Is it talking about, because these are strings. I know that these are strings. Um, I mean, I guess just give it some extra steps. Hmm. Okay, let's bring terminal back in. Okay, we narrowed it down. damn it. Control Shift C. Okay. After a little bit of research, I think I figured it out. Okay. Instead of doing pop, we can do remove. Can also do house is equal to nothing, and hand is equal to also nothing, and then we can do house dot append card. That should work. Oh yeah, wait, you guys can't see it. There we go. Okay, cool. I'm gonna add an exit because that is pissing me off that I have to close out of it every time. Um, if in is k, cool. Now I need to remove this from the while loop. Okay. So that it keeps removing it. So that means when I run it again, I should get an error when it runs out. Ah, look, we have a 4 of diamonds here. Oh, I didn't save it. Oh, that means I didn't save my kill strategy. Okay. If I run this enough, yep, There it is. Cannot choose from an empty sequence. Okay. I got dead pixels on my screen. I gotta move this. Um, card equals random choice cards suit. So one of these, you guys, is that in the way? Oh, you guys didn't see any of that. Sorry. Um, but one of these ran out, so it ran an error because it can't make a random choice of nothing. It's like the equivalent of dividing by zero. So I need to do a try except function where if it runs into that error, it will remove the suit completely. Yeah, yeah, that sounds like. Okay. Try except, or no, except index error. Um, dot remove suit. Okay. Because I don't think it ran out of cards. I think the suit that it tried to select was out of cards. So it was empty. List.remove X. X is not in list. Okay. Wait, what if I just do range? Oh, wait, no, that's going to be random.choice then. Range 3, which goes 0 to 3. And, or no, um, let's do suit val for the value, how many suits there are. Make that 3 for range suit val, and then suit val is equal to suit val minus 1. Okay. Oh, I got two lock. I keep forgetting to move my terminal over here every time I do it. Hmm. X not in list. Wait. List dot remove X. X not in list. Now, how did that happen? Wait, depending on the order, print. No, it removed it before it printed it. Okay, so it tried to remove a card that didn't exist. How did it get the card to begin with? Huh? Now that I don't understand. Card suit dot remove card and card is equal to random dot choice card suit. It got the selection except index error. Suit is equal to random dot choice range. Okay. Suit equals, yeah, and then card is equal to random dot choice cards. So you guys probably, I forgot to move my terminal. God damn it. This is why not a lot of programmers or streamers, they're too focused on their code. Um, I'm not saying there's not a lot of streamers that are programmers. Like, there's definitely a good community of programmer streamers. It's just not a lot of programmers stream their code. How the hell? I mean, I'm thinking. So, suit is just a number between 0 and 3. And the card is somewhere in the range of that suit. When it runs into an index error, it removes the suit value by 1. Oh, wait. And then it kept going. It needs to go back to the beginning after it removes the value by 1. I understand it now. Let's look at this again. Did I save that? Yeah, I saved that. Um, it's frozen. Oh, because it ran out. There's no more. Okay. So now it's stuck in a loop. Got it. Um, let's come back here. If suit. No, because it would have ran an error on random dot choice, right? Because it's negative. All right, I'm just gonna let's actually not do it there. Um, if cards is equal to none, oops, made that mistake again. Okay, let's keep doing that. I think that needs to go in the beginning. Rather than, yeah, okay. Let's bring this back. Oh, wait. Am I? I am. I'm resetting the suit value in the beginning. Okay. Yep. Let's. Okay. You guys can see that again. Oh, where did it give me the index error? Um, suit equals random dot choice. Cannot, wait, cannot choose from an empty sequence. Wait, that's not the error I accounted for over here. Random, yeah, it's this one. But I already checked if cards is equal to none, then to quit. Did I not write that correctly? It doesn't need to be like that. I thought you could just put your condition next to it if it was all in one line. Oh, wait, no, range suit val. It suit val is equal to none. Okay. So I need another try except because if I try to put that in the current one I have, it's just going to subtract one again and then loop it, which will cause it to freeze because it's just going to be sitting there doing nothing, wasting processing power. Okay. Whatever my mother is cooking smells amazing. I'm just gonna say that right now. Um, except index error. Well, there's not gonna be anything left in there to choose. So quit. Okay. Let's move this back. Did I save that? Yeah, I saved it. Okay. Let's see. That looks like a win to me. That looks like a win to me. It's about 50, right? 52. Yeah, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's about 10. So yeah, looks like 52. All right, cool. Let's move this out of the way. Now I don't need it to print house anymore. I don't know why it does that. It acts like I selected a spot and then it deletes from where I click to that spot. It it's either a RAM thing or it's just my poor Linux environment. House.append card. I just hit continue, let go to the beginning. So instead I need a for I in range 2. Or no, 1, because it starts from 0, right? If I did for I in range 0, it would only do it once. That's what I'm sure of. So 1 will do it twice. House.append card, card suit, remove card. Okay. Let's call this house. So define house. Remove hand, because this is just going to be the loop for the house. Um, and we can take house and put it up here, or right there works. Okay. Um, Pardon me for a second. All right. Um, I'm back. OBS Studio is working fine. Okay. So this gets two cards for the house. Um, and then I'm gonna Control C, Control V, and I guess I could take YN from the Journey class that I made. Yeah. Oh, so a lot more than I thought it was. Okay. Okay. And then I could do. Nope, I need to put that in before. Y. Um, and then it's the questions and the options. So options is equal to hit. Wait a minute. Okay, no, because the for loop already puts two cards in your hand. Okay. Um, Okay, if cards equals none, quit, try, suit equals random dot choice, range, suit, val. Except index error, quit, try, suit, val -1, while true. I thought I was holding shift. Break. Continue. That should work nicely. Because then it allows you to keep hitting. Okay. Um, Now we just need to do the math for the actual game. How do I get the value of hmm, so random choice cards suit, it brings back the hmm, how do I get the value of each card though? Like how do I assign each card a value? I mean, I could put an integer. God, why is this so hard? Um, what I could do is I could set another variable to the value of the card string, and then I could have it so it lists the string and then looks at each character until it gets a number, and then it sets that number as the value. Yeah. Or I could do for I in range 10 if I is in card then set card value equal to I. That seems feasible. Okay. Um, Actually going to make that an entirely different function. Define card val card for I in range 10 if I in if I in list card return I. And then I can also set house val equal to 0 and hand val and equal to 0. But then I also have to take an account for the face cards, Jack, King, Queen, and then also Ace. I think I can account for Ace inside of the other functions. And then I'll take care of the others. I could do faces is equal to Jack, Queen, and Ace. I'm sorry, I like having space down here. Um, else for I in range faces For I in range 3, that's really all it is. I don't know why I'm making that so hard. If um, faces I in card, then return. No, that would be 11. I wonder. I think I can just eliminate the ace because it's just 11 plus I. And then and if it's not any of that, then it returns 11. So now in the other functions, I'm gonna have, well, no, not the house, because the thing I'm dwelling on right now is like if you get an ace and then you also go over 21, uh, that ace can be an 11 or it can be a 1. And if you go over 21 when you get an ace, you can turn it into a 1 and lower your value again. So, ooh, wait, I need to list. Yeah, okay. Global hand, global hand val. Okay, random Dutch rolls cards suit. Hmm. Hand val is equal to hand val plus card val card. I never realized how hard it would be to actually make blackjack in Python. I didn't think I'd be doing this for this long. Um, I started at 4 and now it's 6, really? Damn. Is OBS Studio even still running? Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay. I can't like look straight right now. Where did all my viewers go? Doesn't show how many views I have in OBS. So I have to like actually look through YouTube. I love my slow ass phone. And yeah, nobody's watching. Why do I even try? Anyways, hmm, if hand val is greater, did I just hit control? It's greater than 21 and oh, house is right here. Duh. Um, if